Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install IRS Direct Pay account for estimated tax payments step by step clearly. To install an IRS Direct Pay account for estimated tax payments, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the IRS Direct Pay website. Once the page loads, look for the option to make a payment. Click on that option to proceed. Next, you will see various payment options available. Select Estimated Tax from the list of payment types. After selecting your payment type, you will need to enter your personal information. Fill out your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Next, enter your filing status. Now, input your name and address as they appear on your tax return. Continue by selecting the appropriate tax year for your estimated payments. You will then be prompted to choose your payment method. Select either a bank account or credit/debit card for processing. If you choose a bank account, enter your account and routing numbers. Make sure to verify that all information is correct before continuing. If opting for a card payment, follow the prompts to enter your card details. Once your payment method is entered, review the payment details. Confirm the amount you wish to pay for your estimated taxes. After confirming, you will need to provide an email address for a confirmation receipt. Check your email for a verification message from the IRS. Finally, complete the payment process by submitting your information. You should receive a confirmation screen indicating that your payment was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.